How's it going to all you lawn care technicians out there? Today I'm going to show you how to use your Ryobi full crank 2-cycle weed eater. Show you how to get it started, how to fill up the gas, everything you need to know. So first off, you're going to need a pair of gloves when you're weed eating. You're probably going to need a pair of safety glasses because it makes stuff fly everywhere. You might want to also wear long pants. So the gas for this, you can see on here, it says you want to use gas plus oil at a 50-to-1 ratio. Never use fuel containing more than 10% ethanol. Okay, you should follow these rules, alright? You can't just put regular gas in here. You need to label a gas can, weed eater gas only, 2-cycle blend. You need to get yourself some synthetic 2-cycle oil. So what you'll do is, it's measured out in ounces here. This is a 2-gallon container. Okay, for every 1 gallon of gas, to make a 50-to-1 ratio, for every 1 gallon of gas, you need 2.6 ounces of this fluid. So if you fill up the whole thing, 2 gallons, you'll need 5.2 ounces of this synthetic oil. Just put a little bit of this oil in, and then fill the rest of the gas in at the gas station. So make sure you do that. You can't just put regular gas in here. You got to make the 2-cycle blend. Alright, you want to lay this on kind of a flat surface to add the gasoline. It's pretty easy. Just take the cap off here and fill it up slowly, because this fills up fast when you do this. I already have gas in here. I don't need to pour any more in. You can see the level through the casing there. Alright, so now you've got the gas filled up, you've got your 2-cycle blend in there. Let me show you how to start it. And there's instructions on the side, so it's pretty easy. Let's get it to focus here. So it says to press the primer 10 times. That is located right here. It's a big arrow pointing to it. So we'll go ahead and pump that 10 times. Alright, got it primed up. It says set to full choke. So if we turn this over, you can see run, half choke, full choke. Flick this lever down to full choke. And then after that, we need to squeeze and hold these 2 levers through step 7. And it's talking about these 2 levers right here. So we're going to squeeze those in. After we squeeze them in, you're going to pull the starter rope till the engine attempts to start. It'll be 4 times on full choke. Probably not going to start on full choke, so you'll set it to half choke. Usually the first time you pull it on half choke, it'll start. And then wait 10 seconds, and then go to run. So after it starts, after I pull it a few times on full choke, I'll switch it to half choke. It'll probably start that time. You want to let it run for 10 seconds as you're holding here, and then you'll set it on run. And then you'll be good to go. This is your kill switch right here, the stop. So if you need it to stop, that'll turn it off automatically. So let's go ahead and get this started. Alright, so we'll squeeze the lever in here, both levers. Kind of hold it like this. Got it on full choke. We'll give it a couple pulls here. Never really starts on the first 3, so we'll switch to half choke. Then we'll let it run for the 10 seconds after it starts. And we'll switch to run! And this lever will make the weed eater start and stop. Once you're done, just hit the kill switch right here, and you stop. And that's how you operate your Ryobi weed eater. Thanks for watching.